Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the duplicate effect on Higgsfield AI. Now Higgsfield AI is a beautiful website where you can actually generate the best visual AI effects for your video projects. All you have to do is to log in, go to this website and then log in and create an account. Scroll down to visual effect, click on the duplicate effect. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page similar to this where you can even see where the subject splits into multiple identical copies. The subject here just splits into various copies of himself or herself or itself here. So all you have to do is to click on generate, and then you'll be brought to a page where you can actually upload the picture you want to apply this particular effect to. So on this page you can click on upload. You'll be taken to your device where you can now upload your picture or photo, and then if you have an additional prompt you can add it in this area, whether negative or positive. You can add it here and click on generate. Once you've clicked on generate, after a few seconds or sometimes it can take up to a minute, your video 3 to 5 seconds video will be ready, and it would appear here, and then you can click on download to have your video downloaded to your system. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this particular effect, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow.